Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. I'm finally going to Walgreens. I got this little $2 coupon rail register reward that expires today. And I need some toilet tissue, some toothbrush. Y'all know I don't know what's going on with these toothbrushes. They use too many of them. I think hubby be doing it. Changing his toothbrush out every other week. And I need some body wash. I only got $10. That's my budget. So we gonna go to Walgreens and get what I need and stay within that $10 budget. Fam, my birthday coming up Wednesday. I will be 52. Lord let me live to see it. So if y'all want to buy me a coffee, I'm going to put my cash app in the description box for my birthday. No pressure. I'm just saying. Stay tuned, fam. Okay, fam, I done made it home. I didn't record in the stores because I went to 3 different stores to get the stuff that my family need, not want. This is what I say. When you're on a tight budget, get what you need. When it comes to couponing, it's fine to go weeks or whenever without couponing. But long as you got them registry reward or ECBs and you're running low on funds, use those ECBs or registry reward to get what your family need. Now, I only had $40. I said I was only going to spend $10 at Walgreens, but I went over, I think like $2 or $3 over the 10. But that's okay. That's okay. I got everything that I needed in the household. So my first transaction was the Colgate deal. I got 3 Colgates right here. Don't pay no attention to that. That's Aldi. I'm going to tell you about that. But I got 3 Colgates right here. No, buy 2, you get a $3 register reward. My bad, fam. I had a 5 off 3 digital. So I bought 3 of these. They $4 a piece. I had a 5 off 3 digital that came off, plus that $2 register reward that I had to use today. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see 3 of those. They $4 a piece. That was $12. The $2 register reward came off and my 5 off 3 came off. My subtotal was $5. I got back the $3 register reward, which you're going to see it up here. So that made these $2 a piece. I don't know what the deal is with either me or my husband and these darn toothbrushes. Somebody using too many toothbrushes. Because I shouldn't be out of toothbrush. But that's neither here nor there. So my next transaction, I'm going to roll that $3 register reward that I got off from here, the Colgate deal, to the Dove deal. The Dove deal, when you buy 2, you get a $2 register reward. I rolled that $3 register reward from here to lower my out-of-pocket. Plus, I had a 6 off 2. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. They $7 a piece. I got 2. That's $14. The register reward that I rolled off the Colgate is on there. And the 6 off 2 digital came off. I paid 5 out of pocket. And I got back the $2 register reward, which you will see up here somewhere. That made these $1.50 a piece. Now the $2 register reward that I got from here, I did the Scott's deal. I needed toilet tissue. I don't know how I'm out of toilet tissue. Giving away. That's how I am. And paper towels. So let's look at my receipt. But the Scott deal is buy one, get one 50% off. $5, $2.75. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see one rung up $5, one rung up $2.50. I rolled that $2 registry reward that I got from the Dove onto here, and I paid $5.50 subtotal out of pocket for this. I didn't get nothing back for this, but this is what I needed. So I left there and I went to Aldi's to pick up some breakfast stuff. So we're going to look at what I got from Aldi's. Okay, here's what I got from Aldi's. I got 2 cans of sweet peas that I needed to replace from my cabinet. Anytime that I'm using something and I got so many cans of, I'm going to replace it. I'm going to replace it. Okay. These were 64 cents a piece. I got the breakfast sausages, $2.39. I wanted me some pork chops. So I got the thin cut, $6.24. I'm going to cook those today. I needed some bread. And of course, I got them high-priced eggs, almost $5 at Aldi's. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt at Aldi's, which I clipped in. Y'all will see in the video. I'm going to paste in the video where I was showing you the Aldi deals. And my subtotal is $18.13, which it's not too bad. I'm not going to complain because either way it go, it is what it is. Wait a minute. They had a sign right here for 64 cents for these darn peas. And they rung up $1.49 a piece. Oh, yes. I will be taking these back to get my, if it was only a few cents, I'd let it go. But, no. I'm taking that back. I'm taking it back. So, this is what I got at Aldi's. That's why my bill was so high. My subtotal was so high. Then I went to CVS to get my water because by that time, I done ran out of money. So, well, I was pretty close to the $40 that I was going to spend. I think I only had like $2 and some cent left. So I went and used my $10 extra buck that I had at CVS to get me some water. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, first of all, CVS got this water here, 12-pack. When you buy 2, they 2 for $9. So I got 2 of those. That's equal 24-pack, which is that's good enough. And then I threw in this right here because it's 10% off. So that's like $1 and some cent because I wanted to make sure I get $10 worth out of that $10 extra buck that I had at CVS. So let's look at the receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. My subtotal was 39 cents, which is a great deal. Y'all see the actually regular price of that water is $5.29 a piece. Ooh. So I did good. I did good. So I only paid 43 cents out of pocket for that water and this. So let's see what the grand total is. That's $2.44, 45 cents a piece, I think. Somewhere up in there. But I'm going to play the clip of so y'all can see what's in the Aldi Fine Freezer that I clip in. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, share, share. Turn your notification bell on so you know when I upload another video. Give me the thumbs up. Until the next video, fam, y'all have a happy, 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 blessed Saturday. Bye-bye.